Welcome. If you're looking to stay updated every time someone tries your pin on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow push notifications for trying your pin on Pinterest, right from your PC, following the latest update. Let's make sure you never miss an interaction. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Pinterest. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Settings from this menu. After you click Settings, you'll be taken to a new page. Here, you'll see a list of different settings you can adjust. Find and select the Notifications option. This is where you can control what Pinterest tells you about and how. Inside the Notifications section, scroll until you find the option labeled Comments with photos at pins you saved. This is the feature that lets you know when someone interacts with your pins by trying them and leaving a photo comment. To make sure you get notified, simply enable the push option next to it. This will allow Pinterest to send you push notifications directly to your computer whenever someone tries your pin and comments with a photo. Once you've enabled push notifications for this option, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This ensures that all your changes are applied and you'll start receiving notifications right away. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've set up Pinterest to keep you in the loop whenever someone tries your pin and shares their results. This is a great way to engage with your audience, see how your ideas are inspiring others, and keep your Pinterest community active. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and updates. See you in the next video.